Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make boxer briefs for men and kids. The link to get the patterns is in the description below the video. To make these boxer briefs, you will need 2 cm wide elastic, 2 cm wide elastic bias tape, stretchy jersey fabric, fold the fabric in half lengthwise matching the selvages. Pin the pattern pieces on the fabric as shown in the cutting layout. Cut out the fabric pieces. Before removing the paper pattern pieces from the fabric, transfer the pattern important markings to the fabric pieces. Fold the bias over the curve of the front panel opening . And stitch 2 mm from the edge. Fold the inner front panel in half face to face and stitch the curve. The seam allowance is 1 cm. You can use a serger or the sewing machine stretch stitch. Put the front panels together back on front so that there is an opening on each side. Place one side of the front panels on the curve of the shorts, face to face. Place the second side of the front panels on the second curve of the shorts face to face. Stitch the curve. Mark the center back of the crotch. Place the gusset on the crotch face to face, matching the markings. The side with 3 marks is placed on the front and the side with 1 mark is placed on the back. Stitch. Make marks 2.5 cm from the waist. Make marks 2 cm from the leg edges. Fold the waist over 2.5 cm. Stitch the waist all around at 2 mm from the edge, leaving an opening of 5 cm to pass the elastic. Fold the legs over 2 cm. Stitch the legs at 2 mm from the edge. Pass the elastic through the slide, then stitch the ends of the elastic 1 cm from the edge. Stitch the elastic opening. Using a large needle, slide the serger threads into the seams to secure them. Your boxers are ready. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments or to message me on social media. The links are under the video.